Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is GitHub Copilot chat, and in order for me to fix a bug, obviously I have to start the bug or the debugging process, and you see it's already started. And what I'm going to try, since I've already identified that bug, I'm going to pass the fix command here and see if it's smart enough to pick up that there's been an exception. It's not. So I have to paste in, there's a lot of copy pasta here. I have to paste in the error, and now I'm going to type fix and then paste the error. And yes, I know that it doesn't have a okay, so now it's made some changes. It doesn't tell me where I'm supposed to insert these changes. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to put it right up here at the top. And let's see if those changes fix that one SQL Alchemy error. We're going to start debugging. Okay, we have a new error. Declarative base function is now available as, okay, deprecated since 2.0. All right, let's try it again. But this is a different error, so escape that one. Let's try this one. And I type fix, right? Let's select all of this, fix, and then run that. Here's the corrected code. All right, so let's see if it's the corrected code. Right here, Control V. I don't see any major changes, but maybe I missed something. Close that, restart. And I'm back to the same error that I had before. So not doing so good so far with GitHub Copilot. Now let's take a look, and we're going to take this code out to GPT4. Fix this code, make it more robust. Fix this error, and yeah, okay, we're back to the same error we had before. Okay, after pausing a bit, GPT-4 has come up with a whole new set of code. So I'm going to just go ahead and pop the whole thing in, wipe out whatever was there before. Close that and Control B that. And let's kill this. Close that. And now that might work. Control S. Okay, it's saved. And now let's go ahead and start debugging. Okay, depends is not defined. So around and around we go. GPT4 and GitHub Copilot. It's an iterative process, very much so. Thanks for watching and happy computing.